Hey, what's going on, y'all? What's going on, subscribers? How you doing? Channel members, how the heck are ya? I found this wig on Amazon, so I had to try it. It piqued my interest. I don't know if it's gonna be cute. Let's just get that out in the open. It's gonna be one or two. It's gonna be real cute or dastardly. Is that the word I'm trying to say? Oh, yeah.
It's gonna do one of the two things.
It's like a half cornrow with curls in the back. So if this works out, this is gonna be a run to the store. If you could just throw this on, you could wear this on vacation. Now, depending on how long, y'all, they mowing out here. Oh, ain't this funny? Sorry, if you hear the mow, just go with the flow. Depending on how long you want to wear it, depends on the amount of adhesive. Turn to your neighbor and say adhesive.
Adhesive.
Huh? She go. That is going to determine what type of adhesive you use and the amount, okay? Since I'm not going anywhere, I'm just going to do a little spray. It's a braid wig, so I'm assuming, I don't know if it said glueless or not. Dip and fall back. Dip and fall back. Now, who does the high note? Because there's two types of people out here. One who stays in the melody and the one who goes up. Dip and fall back. Hey, why did it fall back? So we may dip and we may fall back. It just depends on how the wig is looking and how it's cooking. I'm going to try to melt it like a Snicker ball on a dirt road in the middle of July in Mississippi, okay? I'm going to try to do that. If that doesn't work, I don't have a plan B. You think I do, I don't. Thank you, Jesus, for blessing me. I know y'all hear that lawnmower. I'm so sorry. Okay, this is fancy hair. Cornrow with curly HD lace front braided wig with baby hair. Pre-plucked, glueless. 13x4 lace frontal wig. Okay, they did not say that it's human hair, so that's good. Cause
Don't get up here lying.
okay, and this is not double lace. Thank you, Jesus, for that. Now this picture right here is cute. That's what we doing. The pictures be doing it. So let's see. Now my only concern is I don't know how this is going. It looks cute in theory. The cornrows are beautifully constructed. I have no problem with that. It's when you turn this sucker around and place your feet on solid ground and you realize you don't know if you at the Barbie convention or not. It's right on the line. But see, this is affordable. So you gonna have to give up some stuff now. You can't have a full, now come on now. Y'all be wanting everything for $12 and y'all is me too. But we can't always. This is affordable and it's synthetic, so you can't get everything sometimes. Okay. Oh, hit that subscribe button so you join the family, join the fun, okay? You want to be a part of the K team, huh? And how we get down over there? Hit that join button. Hold on, let me see what I can do with this.